My issue that I have.
Everybody look to your left, right, say shh. Okay, your issue is?
My issue is when I am dating or in a relationship, the men seem to think that I'm weird or strange, and it's very frustrating. My question is, why do men tend to think that something is wrong when a woman desires to keep herself into marriage, and why do they choose not to invest?
Okay, so all right, B. Okay, first of all, I appreciate the dedication and the faithfulness that you've had to this cause here. Now, I'm gonna reserve my personal opinions to myself. Do we have anybody? So 49 never been touched before.
By choice.
By choice.
I want to honor God in that.
Hey, I applaud you for that. You are a strong woman. You are a unicorn. I think. What? No, I think it's awesome. Sometimes a man, they don't want to teach you. That's a lot of teaching to do. You know what I'm saying? At the age you are. But I mean, there is a man out there for you that wants a virgin. I can't do it. I need some experience, and that's not a knock on you. That's just I want somebody to show me something. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I mean,
yeah, I agree. Now, Kitty, 49.
Man, I love that. Man, I love that. If I can rewrite my life, my God. Man. You know, we're in such a hypersexual culture now that people will try to guilt you out of that celibacy or that abstinence. And they'll beat you down for that because they want to have access to you, because they haven't learned restraint or what self-control looks like. I appreciate the fact that you have produced that type of fruit. That lets me know the relationship that you've cultivated with our Father. Because when you are in that secret place, you produce the fruit of the Spirit. And self-control is one of them. And I appreciate that. You are a unicorn. That is beautiful. Because at the end of the day, we're supposed to honor God, especially with our temple. And you acknowledge that your body is your temple. So keep on doing that. But because it's not normal, when people are not used to what the normal is, when they see something different, they don't know how to adjust to that. But some men would just try to guilt you out of it.
Yes.
But I have a question. Do you lead when you're dating or anything? Do you lead with "I'm a virgin"?
No.
Okay, then we don't got to cross that path.
No.
Okay, there we go. Amen.
I kind of wait, just a little while into that.
Hold on, one question. Hold on. Trio, how soon would you want to know?
I would want to know after she tell me her name. Immediately.
Yeah, I know.
Don't pass go. Don't collect $200 until you reveal that information.
Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry. So you normally wait a little bit, let them get to know you.
Yes.
Now, okay.
And then they're like, "Oh, I'm cool with it," yeah, but no.
I applaud you too. I think it's really beautiful that that's something that you're doing for yourself. But there also has to come with the understanding that people fear what they don't understand. And they try to manipulate what they don't understand either, because they also don't have the clarity of how important it is for you. And so instead of trying to understand why people think it's weird or why they don't understand it, I think it's just important for you to stand on what's important to you and become even more clear on why it's important for you, and to just stand on that, and just to recognize as well, you're going to continue to invite people that just may not agree with what your decision is. That's going to be a part of your experience. So my invitation is that you don't allow it to discourage you. make you insecure or feel a way about yourself or your decision, because ultimately this is a path that you're choosing to walk between you and God. So it really don't matter what anybody else has to say. But what I will say is give yourself the opportunity to learn how to just enjoy people, enjoy their time, enjoy the time that they're in your life, and understand that they may not stay that long, but when you find the one that is for you, they're not going to even blink twice when you tell them that information. You just may have to look a little, okay, it might take some time.
Mike, what's up?
Sister, I love you.
Oh Lord. I got a picture.
All right, before I flip the board, out of everything that was said here, what happened? Oh, all right, okay. So before I flip the board, the first thing I want to say is the thing that made me most nervous was the fact that you associated the term weird with yourself, because it sounds like even you are at a struggle with something that you should be proud about. And because you're different than people put out words, and sometimes we internalize them. And then we start to sympathize with our abusers and then start inheriting those titles for ourselves, and there's nothing weird about you. But I want to take it a bit further and talk about the etymology of the word weird, when weird didn't always used to mean bad. So today we associate words like strange, bizarre, odd with weird. But that's historically the origin of the word weird was because it was supernatural. It was something other than what was around everything that they were. Something different, something special. It goes even further and said that the Weird Sisters were put here to carry out assignments that other people were not capable of doing. So if we're going to use the words that people put here to shame us, put power to those words and understand that being weird in these times is a blessing.
That's a fact.
Is a blessing. And in an even larger sense, I know that out of everything that I've been introduced to on earth, money, power, success, the idea of two humans becoming friends and then lovers and then creating life from that to go on like leaving legacy is the most beautiful concept I've seen out here. It's the one thing that I will put above everything else. Status, friends are good, the family that you come from, but the family that comes from you, best thing that you will put here to do. But that ain't on everybody's bingo card, okay? And on the back of your birth certificate is not a blank marriage certificate just waiting for a signature. You might put love in your heart, but love is you. And whether people come or go, it's always going to be here, and that's the love that's most important. But some people have assignments here that are deeper than their desire to be invested in. Because that's another thing that you said that made me nervous. Like, are you not fulfilled where you believe a man's supposed to come in and invest in you? Like you're some piece of property or some business that needs a refill. Everything you have is enough. Whether that's a partner for a long time or for the night. The things that you work hard for, be proud of always, no matter what people feel about them.
Clap it up, clap it up. Thank you for your question. Y'all handled that beautifully.
Because you wasn't about to be mature.
Man, don't start.
I don't be putting, yeah, thank you. Thank y'all.
Thoughts and prayers.
I know. Ooh, that was real good.
So actually, this woman said that she's a virgin at the age of 49. So at her 50 years on this earth, she maintained her virginity. That is the reason why she was asking that question, or the reason why she asked that very question. Why do men see them in a different way and refuse to invest on them? That is just it. Because most times men think that the only thing they can gain from you as a woman is to make out with you. So if they're into you or in a relationship with you, but they cannot get what they perceive, what they believe, or what they think they're supposed to get from you, which is only making out with you. So if they cannot get it, they think that you have nothing to offer to them, and because of that, they may not invest in you and they leave. But that does not mean that you can't get somebody that will actually live with you. Do you understand? That does not mean. But I think That is the reason why this woman is still single. That is the reason why. I don't know why men are good at doing this. That anytime they are into a relationship with a girl who is into celibacy, they find it very difficult to stick with that very lady. I don't know why. I don't know why. If you remove actually sex from relationship, most men will not have any reason why to go into relationship. That is just it, because they believe that the only thing you can offer to them as a lady is just that. I don't know what you might think. Just drop your own opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to share and also subscribe. Remember, at 49, she's still a virgin. Thank you for watching.